Tumblr Fandom, Art Chaos is an Android application that serves as a portal for users to explore and engage with a vibrant community centered around various fandoms, creative expressions, and artistic content. The app allows users to discover, share, and interact with a diverse range of posts, including fan art, animations, fan fiction, and multimedia related to their favorite shows, movies, books, and more. Designed to encourage creativity and collaboration, the application provides a user-friendly interface where users can easily browse through categories, follow specific tags, and connect with other fans who share similar interests. It often features reblogging capabilities, enabling users to amplify content and contribute to discussions within the fandom community. Additionally, Tumblr Fandom, Art Chaos may include features for remixing and creating content, allowing users to express their artistic talents and participate in collaborative projects. The app fosters a sense of belonging among users, making it a popular choice for those looking to immerse themselves in a creative and engaging online environment. Overall, this application serves as a hub for fandom enthusiasts and artists, providing tools and a community to celebrate their passions and creativity on Android devices.